Hello. Today we are going further with our databases. So if you remember, we've started with NCBI database, GenBank database, where we were looking for different nucleotides or proteins and the blast and other things. There are many things that can be searched in NCBI database, but we are moving on because there are many databases that you can search. Even if you search like databases, I mean, you can find many databases that you want. For example, let's search like protein database. And yeah, the first database that you are going to find is RCSB database. So it's protein data bank. If you even enter PDB, it's going to show you this because most of the 3D shapes of proteins are can be downloaded here, and also you can see here NCBI database that we have seen before, and after this we're going to see the UniProt database. So let's move on with protein data bank. Okay, so here the interface of this database looks like this. Just uh, everything understandable. What you need is here. Just just you can enter what you need, and then you can download. Actually, most of people here just enter the code for proteins and just download the protein. So I'm interested in PABP1. So it is PABP1 is poly A binding protein. Um, Homo sapiens, yeah, people, which is binding to the poly A tail of RNA, and then so here it looks like X-ray crystal structure of poly A in complex with polyadenylate RNA. So I think is what should we look for. So here there are, you can see that search gives you many crystal structures that are present in their databases that are reviewed and have articles that previously studied this, and there are evidences and methods there, and they are published this information. So let's go to that one we have chosen before. The code is 1CVG. Many visualizer, structural molecular visualizers like PyMol is going to access this information with this code. So it's very useful. So this is a name. So here you can have access to the main article that have published this structure, studied this structure. You can download the here public information about the publication. Here it goes to the main website of the journal, from which organism. So expression system E. coli, so it means that it is recombinant protein. The resolution is 2.6. So it's, let's say, okay, not bad. Could be better, but yeah. So it means that how far you can see from here. So here PABP1 has four RNA recognition motifs, RM1, 2, 3, 4. Then proline rich linked region, and then ABC. C terminal of the PABP, uh, PABC. So these are the structures that they're looking for, and it includes RRM1 and RRM2. So mainly they're focusing this part. They don't have structure for RM2 and 3 because 2, these domains are more studied than others. Also, they have some structures for PBC1, but not in this case. Um, so, what are the other informations here? Here there is an experimental data that they show. If you have some understanding, you get these things are valuable, but if you don't have an idea what's going on there, simply you can just download the structure and look uh, in a program that is suitable for you. Okay, so let's download one of the structures. Okay, structure coordinates. So here, if you remember, we opened the article, and here it's accessible, it's freely accessible, and you can download the PDF recognition of polyethylene RNA by the poly A binding protein. Here, it's great because not all journals give access to their publications, but here you have access and it's great. Here they are describing, so if you are interested in particular protein, so you can go to this website, just enter the name of the protein and just have access to the structure of this uh, protein. So I think this is the different structure. Is this the same? Okay, so we can look for the structure of the protein here online, or just you can download to PyMol, or you can download Discovery Studio Visualizer and look here. These are the other proteins. Actually, it's the PVP one, but other part PVC domain. So and study them, because and if you have a weak understanding of the protein structure, you can simply read how they describe, how they identified, and how they describe. Because here in the introduction part, they're mainly going to talk about the background information of this protein. Okay, so this is the RCSB protein data bank database. Here you can download the 3D structure, crystal structure that are published. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.